To convert 8mm and Hi8 video cassette tapes, begin by plugging in the camcorder. Be sure to keep the camcorder plugged in while you are recording to avoid the device shutting down while you are working. Using the cable labeled 8mm Hi8, connect the colored plugs to the all-in-one converter. Then connect the AV jack to the yellow plug on the side of the camcorder. On the Digital Legacy Lab PC, open Honest Tech. Select Option and check that the audio and video are set to AV to USB 2.0. To load a tape, press the tape eject button on the top of the camcorder. The tape compartment will automatically pop out. Insert your tape, then gently close the side of the compartment. It will automatically close and slide back into the camcorder. Do not force the compartment closed or yank the tape in or out. This will damage the device. If the camcorder starts playing, press Stop. Select Record in the Honest Tech software, then press play on the camcorder. The video will begin to play on the software. When you are finished recording, press Stop on the camcorder. Then press Stop in Honest Tech. From here, you can edit your recording or burn it onto a DVD. To save your files, close or minimize the Honest Tech software window. Then select File Explorer from the taskbar. Select Documents, then double-click on the VHS to DVD folder. You can click and drag your files from here onto your USB device. Select your USB device to confirm that your files have been saved. Once you are finished, press the tape eject button on top of the camcorder and your tape will automatically pop out. Remove your tape, then gently close the side of the compartment.